First step, select country code. Second step, enter your valid number without country code. Third step, enter your valid email. Fourth step, click on the Send Code button. Fifth step, go back to your mail inbox, then collect the code. Sixth step, enter the verification code. Seventh step, enter login password. Password should be letter and number, example HM2345. Eighth step, confirm login password is the same password above. Ninth step, enter transaction password. Password should be 6 digits, pure number only. 10th, enter referral code if this field is empty. Now click on the register button.